If you want a free professional email address for your domain, like info@yourdomain.com, this tutorial will show you exactly how to set it up using GoDaddy cPanel hosting. A custom email address instantly makes your business look more credible, more branded, and more trustworthy when you're reaching out to clients, customers, or partners. And the best part is, once it's created, you can access it right from Webmail without needing any complicated setup. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the hosting plan connected to your domain, because that's where your email account will be created. Once you're signed in, click My Products. This is where all of your domains, hosting plans, and related services are listed in one place. Now look under Web Hosting and click Manage. This will open the control area for your hosting plan. From here, you want to access the cPanel interface because that's where the email tools are located. Click cPanel Admin. After a moment, GoDaddy will take you into the cPanel dashboard. Inside cPanel, look for the Email section. This is the area you'll use to create and manage professional email accounts for your domain. Click Email Accounts. On this page, you'll see all the current email addresses attached to your hosting account, along with an option to create a new one. To begin, click Create. Now you'll see the email setup form. This is where you choose the actual address you want for your domain. In the email field, type the name you want, such as info@yourdomain.com, support@yourdomain.com, or hello@yourdomain.com. Try to choose something that matches your business or brand so it looks professional and easy to remember. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure, because this email account will be used to send and receive important messages for your domain. A good password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you're managing a business email, it's always better to use a strong password rather than something simple and easy to guess. Once your email name and password are entered, click Create. GoDaddy cPanel will now generate the new professional email address for your domain. This usually only takes a few seconds. When it's finished, your new inbox will be ready to use. Now that the account has been created, the next step is learning how to access it. Go back to the Email Accounts area and find your new email address in the list. Beside it, you should see an option called Check Email. Click that option to open the login and access tools for your inbox. From there, choose Webmail. Webmail is the easiest way to open and use your professional email directly in your browser without needing to connect it to Outlook, Gmail, or another mail app right away. After clicking Webmail, log in using the new email address and the password you just created. Once you're in, you'll have full access to your custom domain inbox. You can now send and receive emails using your professional address, which gives your business a much more polished appearance. This is especially helpful if you're using the email on your website, contact forms, invoices, or client communication. And that's it. You've now created a free professional email address for your domain using GoDaddy cPanel hosting. This is one of the simplest ways to make your brand look more established without spending extra time on complicated setup. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.